What do we call this? The most exciting portion of our trip, right?
Yeah.
Oh, definitely.
It's beautiful. Look how beautiful. See, you can get all them mountains. Look how far them mountains go.
Yeah, I gotta get the Rebel Without a Cause over here on the fence.
And our puppy's up here, this high up.
Yeah, lunch meat,
Our
don't
lunch
care.
meat.
Look at the drop off. I better not, I'm a klutz. I better not go over there. Or beyond the safety rail. Look, that's Pineville. And we're way out in the wilderness in Pineville. Nice overlook. This is the highest point.
You didn't dump it out, did you? That water? Yes, I did. I was bringing her to it.
Oh, you guys are great on video.
But I was bringing her to the video. I mean,
Look, there's a water puddle right there she could drink. That's mountain water.
She drank that.
That's good for her. She's a dog.
She wanted clean water.
Look at the city down there.
See what she's done.
Beautiful view up here. Best part of our trip thus far.
Come on,
And tomorrow we're going home and it's already almost 9 o'clock at night.
let's go.
I'm coming. Oh, you're yelling at the dog.
Cece,
We
get the
snuck up
bottle
here.
of water.
Tyson, get the bottle of water.
Get the bottle of water.
Let's go.
Are we both making fun of your mom's talking
Some of that.
on camera? Get the bottle of water.
Come. Come. You're mine. You walk with me.
You gotta flip her little ear up.
Well, she needs to shake her head and be an idiot. And she's gonna be an idiot.
Yes, I'm a little out of breath.
Come on. We're not-
There's an audio visual center and cell phone tower over that way. Apparently they brought it all up this small little path and installed it. Either that or it's an ancient Indian cell tower.
I say go.
You think it's an ancient Indian cell tower, honey?
Oh, yeah. And the aliens abducted our truck.
Yeah, the aliens helped them install it.
The aliens abducted our truck, remember?
Yeah.
Come on. Come. Come. You don't get to choose.
We need to talk to the Flat Earth Society and see if
Come.
they agree with our hypothesis.
Good girl. Good girl.
Where's Sierra? Run up this flat rock, Sierra.
I was going to run up the flat rock.
Take your camera.
All right. Ugh.
I got weird pictures
Give me
and
the bag.
shots.
Yeah,
All right, Sierra, run up the hill.
I'll not be able to do it with that.
If you end up bleeding, I'm not responsible. Well, I'll be darned, she made it up the rock. Now let's see if you can get down without falling. In your Crocs.
They're on sports mode, gang.
Sparks mode.
Sports mode.
Oh.
Sports mode.
Oh, is that what that is?
Yeah, who's coming out of these?
All right.
Sports mode, my guy.
Well, we're going to get back in our car
I wonder if the dog would do it.
and head down the hill. It's about time to pack the car up and go home for the day. We've done a lot of walking in Virginia. We've done a lot of walking in Virginia and Kentucky, Tennessee.
Come on, girl, come and do it. You can do it. You can do it. Oh, that's our girl. That's our girl. That's our girl. That's our girl. That's our girl.
Okay, come down.
$5 says one of them falls.
Parkour. Parkour. Why you wanna go? My nose.
No broken bones today.
Not even from the dog.
Yeah,
Let's go. Good girl.
I wonder what's down.
that's our lunch meat. That's what we call our lunch meat.
What's down here? Lunch meat.
Oh my God, I'm not going down the hiking trail.
Oh, neither am I.
Guys, I got these signs right here.
Let's go read them.
Yeah, go read them.
Oh, so you can leave me in the wilderness.
No,
Walk-
because you're younger.
Walk off that strawberry shake we just ate.
Oh, God, I need to work mine off. Don't look at my stomach.
All right. I think I'm gonna bring this video to a close because we're gonna get ready and get in the car and get out of here.
There goes our lunch meat.
And there goes lunch meat. Oh,
Hey.
she's falling.
There's the one that fell.
Yep.
She almost fell again.